Congratulations on receiving your Skillstreaming Bundle. This comprehensive collection of resources is designed to help you teach essential pro-social skills using proven, evidence-based methods. Whether you're an educator, counselor, or community group leader, these bundles, early childhood, elementary, adolescent, and high-functioning autism, will guide and support you step by step in helping children and adolescents develop stronger pro-social skills. Let's begin by preparing for instruction using the program book for each level, Skillstreaming Guide for Teaching. Start by reviewing the table of contents and scanning the chapters to get an overview of the Skillstreaming process. This program guide serves as your foundation, explaining the purpose of the program and how to plan for successful instruction. Pay special attention to the introduction and Chapter 1. These sections cover key preparation topics such as how to select which skills to teach, choosing your instructional setting, determining the length and frequency of your sessions, and deciding on your instructional format, whether small group, large group, or individual. Chapter 2 provides an in-depth explanation of Skillstreaming's core teaching methods: modeling, role play, feedback, and generalization. These 4 procedures form the foundation of every Skillstreaming lesson. You'll also find these procedures identified in 9 specific steps for teaching the skills, along with a sample session in Chapter 3 to show what Skillstreaming looks like in action. Now, it's time to prepare for the first group session. These books work together to take you and your learners through every part of a Skillstreaming session: what to say, what to do, and how to build skills together. Appendix B in the Group Leader's Guide includes the full 9-step process for instruction again, a great quick reference for any group leader. You'll also find student manuals available for Skillstreaming Elementary and Skillstreaming the Adolescent. These manuals are clear, concise guides written specifically for learners. They provide an overview of the entire Skillstreaming experience, helping students and their parents or guardians understand the goals of the program and what to expect throughout the training. Let's look at the skill posters. Each poster lists a skill name and the behavioral steps for mastering that skill. Display the poster during instruction, and later place it where students or clients can revisit it as they practice in real-life settings. Now, let's use the skill cards. These cards reinforce learning and can be used in several ways: as prompts during small group sessions, as reminders for individual learners, placed on desks or in planners, or used in games and activities to strengthen generalization. After your first session, return to the guide for teaching. Review the remaining chapters and note Appendix A includes program forms and checklists to help you assess learner needs and group them effectively for ongoing instruction. Skillstreaming emphasizes helping children and adolescents apply skills throughout their daily lives. Chapter 5 of the Guide for Teaching explains how to plan for maintenance and generalization using homework and real-life practice. It's time to explore the lesson plans and activities book. Once learners are familiar with a skill, these activities such as worksheets, discussions, and role-play activities help reinforce and deepen their understanding. These activities are designed to follow Skillstreaming's 4 learning procedures, not replace them. Continue learning with chapters 6 through 8, along with the appendices in the Guide for Teaching. These chapters may be studied after you've begun instruction. These sections provide helpful guidance for managing common and challenging behaviors involving families in the Skillstreaming process and addressing practical concerns that may arise when implementing this approach in school and community settings. Skillstreaming offers everything you need to teach and model pro-social skills with confidence. As learners practice, reflect, and grow, they'll begin to navigate challenges and apply these new behaviors in meaningful ways, both in and beyond the classroom. Thank you for choosing Skillstreaming, and thank you for the work you do to support social and emotional growth in children and adolescents every day.